Do you ever feel like your spending habits are just going through the motions, disconnected from what truly matters to you? Imagine a world where every dollar that you spend not only supports your practical needs, but also deeply aligns with your personal values, contributing to a sense of joy and purpose in your financial activities. The gap between where you are and where you desire to be with your finances can feel wide, especially when your spending doesn't reflect your true self. But what if you could bridge that gap, transforming your relationship with money into an expression of your deepest values and goals? It's not just about financial freedom, it's about living with intention, where your spending becomes a direct reflection of who you are and what you care most about. Today, we'll discuss how taking intentional steps to ensure your financial decisions mirror your deepest beliefs. You not only you not only enhance your personal well-being, but also contribute to a world that reflects your dreams. Hello, and welcome to Rise Your Money Power, where we have honest conversations to empower you around your relationship with money. I'm Pamela Plick, your host. I'm on a mission to empower women to confidently build wealth from the inside out. I help purpose driven women to overcome feeling anxious, overwhelmed, or stuck related to their personal relationship with money so they can become confident, achieve peace of mind, and financial freedom, as well as impact. And I do this through my signature programs and services, as well as events and through building community. In a world where our financial decisions can often feel disconnected from our core values, finding joy in the way we allocate our resources can seem like a distant dream. Yes, it's entirely possible to transform our spending habits into a powerful expression of our personal beliefs and dreams. This journey is not just about managing money. It's about aligning your financial choices with your deepest values, leading to a more fulfilling and impactful life. So let's discuss the 5 ways you can make your spending a true reflection of who you are and what you stand for, turning every transaction into a step towards your ultimate your ultimate goals of happiness, purpose, and contribution. The first way to make your spending a true reflection of who you are and what you stand for is to understand your values. To align your spending with your values, you really need to get clear on defining what these values are. What's most important to you? And everyone has different values. It can be sustainability, education, health, or maybe supporting local businesses. Some additional values could include your spirituality, your career, financial freedom, relationships, travel, so whatever those values are, the key is by having this self-awareness that creates the foundation for your spending. So one action step that you can take in this area is to create a list of your top 5 values and consider how your current spending aligns or doesn't with these values. The second way to make sure to make your spending a reflection of who you are and what you stand for is to begin to budget with purpose. Once you know your values, budgeting becomes an empowering tool to allocate your money in ways that reflect those values. And it's about making intentional choices that resonate with your personal and your business goals. Now, it's interesting. I know a lot of people don't like the word budget. They feel like budget is restrictive. So, whether you call it a budget, a spending plan, whichever you call it, the thing is that it is really freeing because you know that if you created a budget that is aligned with your values, what's most important to you, then it's going to reflect those values, and you know that everything is actually on automatic pilot and you're working towards achieving the goals that are most important to you. So, one step that you can take in this area is to review your budget and adjust categories to better match your values, such as maybe increasing allocations or donations to causes that you're passionate about. Might be that maybe one of your values is financial freedom, but you're carrying some debt. Making sure that the a debt repayment is included in that budget as well, or maybe increasing financial is part of financial security, increasing your savings. So making sure those categories that are in your budget reflect your current values. Now, the third way to make your spending a true reflection of who you are and what you stand for is through conscious spending. Mindful spending goes beyond budgeting. It involves questioning the necessity and impact of each purchase that you make. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean you have to live a frugal life because that's the mindset of scarcity. But the point is to choose quality over quantity and impact over impulse. And it's interesting. I had a client that came to me, and when she came to me, she really was an impulsive spender. And we had to get to the root cause of why she was spending just on the spur of the moment. And it turns out that it went back to her childhood and how, her mother's money habits kind of imprinted upon her. So she even said to me that, I'm buying things that I know I don't need. But not just buy one. For example, she bought a dress, and instead of just buying one dress, she bought the same dress in three different colors. And at the time we spoke, the purchases were still sitting in the bag. So being conscious of that spending and really looking at is this, or asking yourself before you make the purchase, is this in alignment with my values? Is this something that I really need? Or is it just that it's something that I want or that's fulfilling a deeper void? So, keeping that in mind when you're making conscious decisions around your spending. And one action step that you can take in this area is to ask yourself, if before any purchase, ask yourself, does this support your values? And if there's a more aligned alternative. So consciously thinking about those purchases that you make. Now, the fourth way to make your spending A true reflection of who you are and what you stand for is to invest in your beliefs. Your investment choices can also reflect your values, whether it's choosing ethical stocks or mutual funds, maybe supporting women-led businesses, or even investing in education. It's important to let your money work for you in causes that you believe in. And now, if you're self-directed when it comes to your investments, you can certainly do the research, and there are investments that are, they invest in ethically run companies. So you can do that research on your own, or if you're working with a financial advisor or a financial planner, you can tell them what's important to you, what type of companies that you're interested in, and then they can make recommendations based on what your values are. So, one action step that you can take in this area is to research and invest in funds or companies that align with your values. Now, the fifth way to make your spending a true reflection of who you are and what you stand for is to celebrate your aligned spending. Recognize and celebrate when your spending aligns with your values. And what it does for you is it creates a positive reinforcement that encourages more of the same behavior. Health, and in turn, joyously turning your spending into a habit. And remember, we always talk about celebrating, appreciating, and celebrating, right? Because what we appreciate appreciates. And when we celebrate, that signals to the universe to bring more of the same to us. So celebrate that aligned spending. And always talk about creating that abundance journal or gratitude journal. And so make sure that anytime that you recognize that you have made an aligned spending, aligned purchase, a purchase that was aligned with your values, celebrate that by writing it down in your journal. And that helps you to continue to be motivated and to stay on track. So, and one action step that you can take in this area, if you don't already have a gratitude journal, then create one that's in exclusively for spending in your financial journal, or you can put it in your gratitude journal. But the point is to keep a journal of spending that reflects particularly purchases that are aligned with your values, and noting how it made you feel. What was the emotion that came up, whether it was gratitude, joy, um, whatever that peaceful, whatever that emotion was for you, make sure that you're including it in your journal. Now, in conclusion, aligning your spending with your values isn't just about money. It's about creating a life that's filled with purpose, joy, and impact. By taking intentional steps to ensure that your financial decisions mirror your deepest beliefs, then you not only enhance your personal well-being, but it also contributes to a world that reflects your ideals, a world that you want to live in. So embrace this journey with openness and curiosity, and watch as your relationship with money transforms into a source of empowerment and joy. Now, let's recap what we talked about today. We talked about the 5 ways to make your spending a true reflection of who you are and what you stand for. Step number 1, understand your values. Step number 2, budget with purpose. Number 3, conscious spending. Number 4, invest in your beliefs. And lastly, celebrate your aligned spending. So at this point, I'd love for you to pull out your journal and take some time to reflect on your current relationship with money and ask yourself these 3 questions to help give you clarity and to motivate yourself into action. Number 1, ask, what changes can I make to ensure my spending better aligns with my personal beliefs? Next, what steps can I take to invest in ways that reflect my values? And lastly, in what ways can celebrating my aligned spending encourage more purposeful financial decisions? Now, if you're ready to take the first step towards creating financial empowerment and success, then I invite you to join me for a powerful money power breakthrough call to unlock the key to transforming your relationship with money. Together on this call, we'll uncover what's holding you back from aligning your vision with your goals and identify the next inspired step to pave the way to ultimate financial freedom. So don't miss this opportunity to create a brighter future for yourself and your business. To learn more and apply, just go to PamelaPlick.com/thank you. That's PamelaPlick.com/thank you to access the link to the call. Then, once you've scheduled your call, check out my other tools and resources that are available to help you to start unlocking your financial freedom and setting yourself up for long-term success. In closing, I'd like to leave you with this thought. Every dollar you spend is a vote for the world you want to live in. Thank you so much for taking the time to be with me today. And until next time, remember, you can rise to your money power.